Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam, and today I'm going to enlighten you on how to improve your business English communication skills. In a world where business is increasingly global, effective communication is key. We'll delve into strategies for enhancing your vocabulary, refining your grammar, and putting everything into practice with real-world exercises. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a novice, these skills can transform your ability to connect in the business world. So buckle up as we embark on this journey to better business English communication skills. First, we dive into the world of vocabulary enhancement, a fundamental aspect of effective communication. A rich and varied vocabulary is akin to having a wide range of colors on an artist's palette. It allows you to paint vivid pictures, express complex ideas, and engage with your audience on a deeper level. In the realm of business English, certain words and phrases are frequently used. For example, benchmark refers to a standard or point of reference in measuring or judging the quality or value of something. Synergy is the additional effectiveness when two or more entities or substances combine. Leverage is used to describe the act of using something to its maximum advantage. These are just a handful of examples, but they illustrate the kind of language that is commonplace in the business world. So, how do we go about enhancing our vocabulary? There are several effective strategies you can employ. One such method is the use of flashcards. This age-old study tool remains popular for a reason. By writing the word on one side and its definition on the other, you're not only engaging with the word visually, but also kinesthetically, as you physically handle the card. Another strategy is to read business articles, reports, and journals regularly. This helps you to encounter new words in context, which aids in understanding and retention. Plus, it keeps you updated on the latest trends and developments in your industry. Finally, make a conscious effort to use new words in your daily conversations. This can feel a bit awkward at first, but it's a highly effective way to cement these words in your memory. Just like learning to ride a bike, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Remember, a rich vocabulary is the first step toward effective business communication. By expanding your lexicon, you're not only improving your ability to express your ideas, but also enhancing your understanding of the ideas expressed by others. So keep learning, keep practicing, and watch as your communication skills blossom. Moving on, we come to the grammar refinement stage. Grammar is the backbone of any language, and English is no exception. Now, let's dive into some common grammar mistakes that can pop up in business English communication, and more importantly, how to avoid them. First on our list is subject-verb agreement. It's easy to get tripped up on this one, especially when dealing with collective nouns. Remember, a team, a company, or a group is a single entity, so it takes a singular verb. For example, the team is ready for the presentation, not the team are ready. Next, we have misplaced modifiers. These are words or phrases that, due to their placement in a sentence, end up modifying the wrong word, leading to confusing or even humorous results. For instance, after being revised, I sent the report back. Clearly, you weren't revised, the report was, so it should be, after revising it, I sent the report back. Another common pitfall is the misuse of fewer and less. Use fewer for countable items and less for uncountable ones. So we say fewer mistakes, but less confusion. Now, how do we avoid these and other grammar mistakes? One effective way is to proofread your emails or any other written communication before sending. You'd be surprised at how many errors you can catch this way. Another approach is to use grammar check tools. There are plenty of these available online, and they can be a big help in spotting and correcting errors. Last but not least, practice grammar exercises regularly. This not only helps to reinforce the rules, but also makes them second nature, so you can use them correctly without even thinking. So there you have it. By paying attention to these common grammar issues and using the tips we've discussed, you can significantly enhance your business English communication. Remember, a solid grasp of grammar will make your business English communication clear and professional. Finally, let's delve into some practical exercises that will help you put what you've learned into practice. We've discussed vocabulary enhancement and grammar refinement. Now let's apply these skills in real-life scenarios. Firstly, consider role-playing business scenarios. This can take the form of simulated business meetings, client pitches, or even casual networking events. By acting out these scenarios, you're not only practicing your speaking skills, but also learning how to respond intelligently and professionally in a business setting. You're essentially becoming comfortable with the language of business. Next, let's talk about writing business emails. In today's digital age, written communication is just as important as spoken communication. Start by writing short, simple emails and gradually move on to more complex ones. Make sure you're using the right tone, proper grammar, and business vocabulary we've discussed earlier. It's also crucial to always proofread your emails before sending them out. This practice will help you become proficient in written business English. Now let's move on to giving presentations. Presentations are a common part of the business world, and being able to deliver them effectively in English is a valuable skill. Start by preparing a short presentation on a topic you're familiar with. Practice presenting it in front of a mirror, focusing on your language, pronunciation, and pacing. As you get more comfortable, try presenting in front of a small group. This will also help you handle nerves and improve your public speaking skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. These exercises may seem challenging at first, but with time and consistency, you'll find them becoming second nature. It's important to note that improving your business English communication skills is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires dedication and commitment. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep pushing forward. Through consistent practice, you will see a significant improvement in your business English communication skills. And that, my friends, concludes our journey through improving your business English communication skills. We've covered the crucial areas of vocabulary enhancement, grammar refinement, and practical exercises. These are the pillars upon which you can build a strong foundation for effective business communication. It's important to remember that this is a continuous process. Remember, the journey to excellent business English communication skills is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep practicing and you'll see the benefits in your professional life. This is your friend Teacher Sam signing off. Until next time.